guys, welcome back to Shasha ST. Today I'm going to show you the Nintendo Switch and a game that I got from Best Buy at Salt Lake City. So, start with the game. So this is the game. Gear Club 2 Unlimited Edition. So there's 2 cars, and it includes Arrows, Gears, and Hazard and Wings DLC. So let's open it. Inside is this. It comes with 4 DLCs packs. These right here. That. And it comes with the game itself. Right here. It's just a clip. So now we'll go inside the console itself. So let's get into the console. So this is it right here. So right here is the console itself. There's the console. And there's also this right in here. Here's the instructions. And here is the charger to charge it. And that's it. So we're going to open my Nintendo Switch. Here we go, guys. This is what it looks like. Nintendo Switch. It's kind of light. It's very light, actually. So let's power it on. This is what it looks like. So let's push A to continue. Now we gotta push A the same 3 times. Now we're going to put the game chip into my Nintendo Switch. So let's put it in. This is what the chip looks like. It's very small. It's very small. So let's put it in. So there. Now it's in. Now let's play it. Should we update it? Start software. So there. Right now I'm playing the game. So that's really cool, guys. This is what it looks like on the front. It says Gears Club 2 Unlimited. Thank you, Mom and Dad, because they got me this today at Salt Lake. So thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you for watching, guys. For watching Shasha SJ and see you next time. Bye.